Hi everyone, this is Jeff from Patients. He's a local hero. He's a firefighter in Detroit, and because of all the heavy equipment he wears on his back, it puts a lot of pressure through the mid part of his back, and we have to do a particular adjustment called an anterior to put an extra oomph into getting the movement in the back. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how it's done. Tuck your chin in, keep it tight.
Feel like $1,000,000 every time I leave here. So it's definitely something that I recommend and definitely encourage.
Appreciate it, man.